Hello ROS developers and welcome to the ROS questions and answers video series. If you want to learn anything about ROS, this is your channel. ROS navigation, ROS with drones, ROS for autonomous cars, anything ROS is here. Learn ROS step by step and push your ROS learning in just 10 minutes of video. I am Alberto and today we are going to be checking a question I found in ROS Answers, which is this one, which says unable to run Turtle tf2 broadcaster tutorial. So we are going to be checking and creating an example for this question and try to give him an answer. But before anything else, remember to visit our Robot Ignite Academy, our online academy where you will find practical online ROS courses using simulated robots. No installation required. You will find a link to the academy in the video description. And now yes, let's start with the video. So as I've said, we are going to be checking this question asked by Suyash, and basically he says, hello, I am new to ROS and I am trying to complete the tf2 tutorials. We're running this particular tutorial. I created the Turtle tf2 broadcaster.py file and the launch file exactly as described in the tutorial and in the directory as described in the tutorial. After this, I invoked catkin make and I source the workspace in the terminal. However, the following error comes up and it closes. And the error says unable to launch this node, Turtle tf2 broadcaster. If it is a script, you may be missing a hashtag declaration at the top, which basically this line gives us a clue of what it could be, of what I think it could be. So yeah, let's first of all try to create an example for this. So let me close the YouTube channel, and here I'm going to move to the ROS Development Studio, and also let me tf2 tutorials. Let me try to find these tf2 tutorials he's talking about. Okay, I think are these ones here. Meanwhile, let me create a ROSject. I'm going to create here a new ROSject, call it tf2 tutorial QA, for instance. So let's create this ROSject and open it. There we go. Okay, so here it's writing a tf2 broadcaster in Python. Should be here. Yeah, I think it's here. Here we have the Turtle tf2 broadcaster.py file, which he talks about here, Turtle tf2 broadcaster.py. So I'm going to try to follow this one. I'm going to assume this is, because he hasn't provided any link, but I'm going to assume that this is the tutorial he is following. So yeah, let's wait here a few moments until the instance gets loaded. There we go, excellent. Let's open a shell now, and then IDE as well. And yeah, let's begin. So basically the first thing is to create the package. Let's copy this and paste it here to our catkin workspace src. There we go. Now we have our package here in the catkin workspace. Then let's go to the learning tf2 and create here a folder called nodes, ROS-cd learning tf2. Okay, there nodes, there we go. And finally, let's create this Python file here in the nodes folder. New file, there we go. And let's copy the contents we have here. Okay, copy and paste. Now we have them here, excellent. Yeah. So let's go on. Okay, yeah, so he says to make sure that we make this file executable. So cd nodes gmod +x of this file. So now it is executable, as we can see. And the code explain it. We are going to paste this. Now here we have the launch file. We need to create as well a launch file, which is called the startdemo.launch. So let's create here the launch folder, and launch file, which is called start demo.launch. Let's paste here the contents of the file. Excellent. Let's make this a bit bigger. Okay, and now we need to build our scripts. Although in this case I don't think it's necessary because it's just a Python file. There's no custom messages, nothing we need to compile. Anyways, I'm going to compile this. So catkin make, and once this is done, the only thing we have to do is to launch this, and then we are going to check the results, check that there is the transform published between the world and the Turtle1 frames that we are publishing here. So okay, let's source our ROS space and let's execute. Oops, sorry, I didn't copy the command I want to execute. It's here. Here I have it. Copy and paste. So we are going to start this. Let's open another shell now in order to verify that everything works as expected. For the moment it looks okay, no error shown. So let's verify that the transform is published with this command here. And yeah, so here we have the transform published. So here everything is working fine. Now, what is my suspect of this error? So because of this line, as you can see, let's do one thing here in our script. If we come here to our Python script, we have here, and I remove this first line. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do right now. I will save. And now, let me execute again. Let me try to execute again this file. And voila, here I have an error. And what does this error say? Unable to launch Turtle tf2 broadcaster 4. Unable to launch Turtle tf2 broadcaster 4. If it is a script, you may be missing a hashtag declaration at the top. And if it is a script, you may be missing a hashtag declaration of the top. The traceback for the exception has been written to the log file. The traceback for the exception, okay, so I'm getting the exact same error that he's showing here. As you can see, yeah, it's exactly the same. So my suspect is that when you were following this tutorial, whenever you copied the contents of this file, you forgot to copy this line here, yeah? So now let's add it again. Let's copy this and add it again. Here, there we go. Let's save. Let's launch this again. Okay, the error is gone, and I can see the transform again here, yeah? So, make sure that you have this line here. This line is very important because this way, whenever you execute this Python script, this will tell the system that basically this is a Python script and it has to be executed as a Python script, yeah? So this line is super important. As you can see, once I removed this line, I started getting the error, the exact same error you are showing here. So please make sure that you have this line, you didn't forget to copy it. And yeah, that's it. Basically, this was the video of today. I hope it has helped you in this case, and hopefully will help other people to be able to know what this error means. When you see this, if it is a script, you may be missing this hashtag declaration at the top. Yeah. Whenever you see this error, there is a high chance that you are missing this line in your script. Yeah. And yeah, please, if you liked the video, give us a like. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We are publishing new videos, live classes, many ROS related content every day. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.